Oh, here's Audrey. It's the day after the blizzard. Hi.
Hi.
What do you got here?
Audrey, what? There's a snow slide. Oh.
Okay, come on out.
Oh. Snowboard.
Oh, here's Owen.
Hey, Dad, tell him.
What are you doing, Audrey?
Hey, Dad.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah.
All right, come show me what's all this stuff on the ground out here.
No. Dad, tell Mom to get out that snowboard.
Okay, I'll tell her. Okay. Why don't you show me what's over here?
Snow slide on it. Get on it. Oh.
You got a gigantic hill.
Uh-oh.
Can you help, Audrey?
No. See, Mom, this is the snow slide. And Mom, there's one going right down here.
You can walk through and you won't get
There's
wet.
one going over down there too.
I
And
know,
now
we
see
need to
where the
pack
mirror
it
fell
down and make
off.
a slide like
I'll see
before.
where the mirror fell off. Like this.
Let's try to make a slide.
I fell down. Well, I can't.
All right, today's December 7th, 2013.
Remember.
We got probably
Remember.
about... Hi, Owen. Hi.
A new level opened up on the Elephant Self Game.
Yeah,
new
that's
level.
right. Santa tracker. I think this has been sitting here since before the snow started falling, so just how much snow we got, probably about a foot over the last 2 days.
This one, like this.
Woo!